Hi, it's Lisa with Liberty SoftWash. And here we're doing a little shooter tipping. We're working on apartment complex cleaning. We're using one of Guy Blackman's original shooter tips here. You can see it's doing a great job. Like here's our second rig on this job site right now. We have a temporary rig set up because we had a time constraints on this job, so we had to bring in a second rig. We're washing all the buildings in this complex. Liberty SoftWash, 717-324-4208. LibertySoftWash.com. Thanks for watching.